There is something quietly powerful about wood. Before it becomes part of a home, it begins its life deep in a forest, shaped by seasons, rain, wind, and time. Every ring inside a tree tells a story, and when that wood is carefully crafted, those stories continue now living inside the spaces where people gather, rest, and create memories. Imagine walking into a home where the warmth of natural wood instantly changes how the space feels. The air seems calmer, the light feels softer, and the entire environment feels more welcoming. That is the subtle influence of wooden craftsmanship, an influence that comes not only from the material itself but also from the care and intention behind each piece created. Wooden creations inspired by the spirit of the forest bring nature closer to everyday life. They remind us that design doesn't have to be cold or artificial to be modern and beautiful. Instead, it can be organic, grounded, and deeply connected to the natural world. In many homes today, people are rediscovering the comfort of natural materials. Smooth wooden surfaces, natural grain patterns, and earthy tones create a sense of balance that synthetic materials often fail to achieve. The beauty of wood lies in its imperfections, small knots, subtle curves, and unique textures that make every creation different from the next. When crafted with skill and patience, wood becomes more than just a structural material. It becomes a design element that interacts with light, shadow, and space. In the morning, sunlight reveals fine-grained patterns that seem almost painted by nature. In the evening, warm indoor lighting deepens the color of the wood, creating a cozy and peaceful atmosphere. But the influence of wooden craftsmanship does not stop at the doorway of a home. Outside, where the natural world continues, wooden creations feel even more at home. Surrounded by plants, open air, and changing weather, wood blends seamlessly with the outdoor environment. It weathers gracefully, developing a character that reflects time and exposure, much like the trees it came from. This connection between indoor comfort and outdoor harmony is what gives forest-inspired wooden design its unique appeal. Instead of treating the interior and exterior of a home as separate worlds, wooden craftsmanship creates a visual and emotional bridge between them. The process of transforming raw wood into something refined yet natural requires patience, precision, and respect for the material. Each step from selecting the timber to shaping, smoothing, and finishing plays a role in preserving the natural beauty of the wood while enhancing its durability and strength. Craftsmanship begins with understanding the grain. The direction and pattern of the grain determine how wood should be cut and shaped. Working with the grain, rather than against it, ensures both strength and beauty. This careful attention to detail allows the final creation to retain its natural elegance while also standing up to daily use. As tools move across the surface, rough textures gradually become smooth, and sharp edges transform into soft curves. This transformation is not rushed. It reflects the rhythm of traditional woodworking, where every motion is guided by experience and a deep appreciation for the material. Finishing is another crucial stage in bringing out the spirit of the forest within each creation. Natural oils and protective coatings enhance the wood's color while protecting it from moisture, sunlight, and wear. The result is a surface that feels pleasant to the touch while maintaining the organic appearance that makes wooden designs so appealing. Inside a home, wooden craftsmanship can quietly shape the overall atmosphere without overwhelming the space. Instead of dominating the room, it works in harmony with light walls, textiles, and other decorative elements. The natural tones of wood complement a wide range of interior styles from modern minimalism to more traditional or rustic settings. Outside, wooden creations interact with changing weather and natural surroundings in a way that few other materials can. Over time, exposure to sunlight and air gently alters the wood's color, creating soft variations that add depth and character. Rather than appearing worn out, well-treated wood often becomes more beautiful as it ages. This natural aging process is one of the reasons many people appreciate wooden designs so deeply. Unlike synthetic materials that may degrade or lose their appeal over time, wood evolves. Its appearance changes gradually, telling the story of the environment in which it exists. Forest-inspired wooden craftsmanship also reflects a growing awareness of sustainability and environmental responsibility. When sourced responsibly and used thoughtfully, wood can be one of the most eco-friendly materials available. Trees can be replanted, forests can be managed, and wood products can last for generations when properly cared for. Using wood in both indoor and outdoor spaces encourages a closer connection to nature in daily life. It reminds us of forests, mountains, and open landscapes even when we live in busy urban environments. This subtle reminder can have a calming psychological effect, making living spaces feel less stressful and more grounded. Designers and craftsmen often draw inspiration directly from natural forms. Gentle curves may echo the shape of branches, while layered textures can resemble tree bark or flowing grain patterns found in aged trunks. These design choices are not random, they reflect a desire to capture the essence of nature rather than simply replicate its appearance. When people interact with wooden creations, they often respond not only visually but also through touch. The warmth of wood feels different from metal or plastic. It does not feel cold in the morning or overly hot under sunlight. This natural temperature balance adds to the comfort of using wooden designs both inside and outside the home. Another remarkable quality of wood is its versatility. It can be shaped into clean, modern forms or into more traditional, decorative styles. It can appear bold and solid or light and elegant, depending on how it is crafted. This flexibility allows wooden craftsmanship to adapt to different tastes and architectural styles while still maintaining its natural identity. In outdoor settings, wooden designs often become a focal point where people gather, relax, or spend quiet moments. Surrounded by plants, soil, and sky, the material feels like a natural extension of the environment rather than an artificial addition. This seamless integration helps outdoor spaces feel more complete and inviting. Indoors, wooden creations contribute to acoustic comfort as well. Wood absorbs and softens sound, reducing echoes and creating a calmer atmosphere. This is especially noticeable in spaces where people talk, read, or spend long periods of time. The environment feels more peaceful, even when there is activity around. Maintaining wooden creations is part of the ongoing relationship between people and the material. Regular cleaning, occasional polishing, and protection from excessive moisture help preserve the appearance and strength of the wood. These simple acts of care extend the life of each creation and keep it looking vibrant for years. Over time, wooden craftsmanship often becomes more meaningful to those who live with it. Small marks or subtle color changes become part of its story, reflecting daily life and shared experiences. Instead of being seen as flaws, these changes are often appreciated as signs of authenticity and use. The spirit of the forest lives on in every carefully crafted wooden creation. It is present in the grain patterns, in the scent of natural wood, and in the quiet strength that allows each piece to serve both practical and aesthetic purposes. This connection to nature is what makes wooden craftsmanship timeless. It never feels outdated because it is rooted in something far older than modern design trends. For creators and viewers alike, exploring wooden craftsmanship can be both inspiring and educational. Observing how raw timber transforms into refined creations reveals the skill, patience, and creativity involved in the process. It also highlights the importance of respecting natural resources and using them wisely. Whether placed indoors where families gather or outdoors where people enjoy fresh air and open space, wooden creations bring warmth, character, and a sense of calm. They serve as a reminder that beauty does not have to be manufactured, it can be shaped from what nature already provides. As more people look for ways to create comfortable, meaningful living environments, the appeal of forest-inspired wooden craftsmanship continues to grow. It offers a balance between durability and beauty, tradition and modern design, indoor comfort and outdoor harmony. If you enjoy seeing how natural materials can be transformed into something both functional and artistic, then wooden craftsmanship offers endless inspiration. Every project begins as a simple piece of timber and ends as something that becomes part of someone's everyday life. Thank you for spending time exploring the world of forest-inspired wooden creations with Crafted Wood Studio. If this journey into natural design sparked your curiosity or gave you new ideas for your own spaces, don't forget to support the channel. Please like this video, share it with others who appreciate natural craftsmanship, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more inspiring wooden creations and creative woodworking content. Your support helps the channel continue to grow and bring you more ideas drawn from the beauty of nature.